Assalamu alaikum. Are you free Loom user? Still facing problem for Loom limitations like 5 minute video lengths and 25 videos only? So if correct, today I will share you a interesting software that is free for you where you can record unlimited videos and unlimited video length. So that is KOMODO. So KOMODO is a free screen recording software. So you can record unlimited videos. If you check the pricing here, the free plan you can record unlimited videos, no time limit length. So if you using Loom and getting paying for the 5 minute videos, then you can start using the KOMODO. So I will share you how to start using KOMODO. So first you can log in and sign up from here, and if you want to use software, then you can download your Mac OS or Windows software your computer, and you can directly use from the browser. So you need to install the Chrome extensions for that. So that is very easier to directly using from browser. So first log in your account, and login process is very easy. Just log in with Google or email or Apple ID. So I am trying with Google. Click to login, complete your authentication. I am using that email. Okay, so after login, here showing my previous videos, you see that videos length is 25 minutes, 10 minutes and 3 minutes. So if I try that video using the Loom, then almost you need to create uh, 5 to 6 videos. So how to start with that? So you just need to click record, then here you will get uh, options for record, or you can try here the Chrome extension, so here also leading the page. Okay, so after clicking the record, you will get options for the record. So here you can turn on your camera. Here you can get others options. So if you want to start recording, then you need just to click start recording. Here will be show the pop-up, so you can select the entire screen and share. So just like the Loom, it's nothing complex. So after recording, you will see your microphone here record your voice, and here if you want you can also add your uh, video. Okay, after complete your recording, is just click to stop button, and that video will be safe. Stop recording. So here just you can write your title, test video, and you can save and continue. So that video is safe, and if you click the copy link, then you can share the link anywhere, so anyone can see the video from your link, like the Loom, and here the AI generated summary, and here the chapters and action. So I hope you can enjoy that video, and it will be helpful for you. So start using KOMODO and remove your pain. Thank you.